Hi, I know it's been a while, but it's time. I found something else on the internet that I'm obsessed with, and I need to talk about it. Do you miss talking to strangers as much as I do? Well, do I have the app for you? And no, it's not Craigslist. It's called Clubhouse. It's a relatively new audio-only social platform. It's also invite-only, so it's pretty exclusive. Lucky for you, we pulled some strings, and I had no problem getting in. So let's check it out. What do I mean when I say audio-only app? Don't think of it as like a podcast. Instead, think your podcast married a conference call, and then they had an interactive baby and named it Clubhouse. Clubhouse launched in March, but recently has taken off, so much that it's currently valued at $1 billion already. The app is free and has no ads quite yet, but it's still in a beta phase. They are still working on slowly building out the app, workshopping the interface, studying the active users, and fixing any minor kinks. It's not even on Android yet. This baby holds digital group discussions in what's called rooms. These rooms contain stages. These stages can be large and small, where you can have valuable conversation with industry professionals, thought leaders, or even chit-chat about your Instabot with strangers like I did. In order to help you find rooms and conversations you're interested in, the app prompts you with a ton of topics when you first sign up. Let me animate some of them in for you. Bunch of these. Ugh, God. They're meant to give you a head start on who to follow and what to listen to. You can start your own room at any time, either by yourself or with friends. They can be public or private, large or small, and you can schedule a discussion for a later time and notify your friends. When you sign in, you see everyone's profile pictures, if they are new to the app, if they are muted or leading the conversation, and who the moderators of the chat are. Sometimes you're just listening, sometimes you're chiming in. If you want to talk, you need to raise your hand and get accepted by the moderator or be invited up. The app allows for an organized conversation without people talking over each other. Clubhouse is a great place to both listen in on and lead a conversation about things that are relevant to your industry. You can be in a room with someone who has experience in the field, ask some questions, and hold a good discussion. It's like going to a college lecture, except you aren't being quizzed or falling asleep in class. Audio is a hot commodity, especially when it's live. Clubhouse is bringing with it some much needed disruption to a space that hasn't really been updated since podcasting started. I just got a notification from the Creative Individuals Club. There's a room called The Art of Marketing, Mastering Social Media at 3 o'clock. Sounds pretty good. I gotta wrap up this video and check it out. See ya.